Hi everyone, thank you for watching. Today we're opening up the August brown paper packages. I absolutely love this subscription. It is a bi-monthly subscription, meaning you get it every other month. It ships from Canada, but of course it is shipping to US as well. So for US, it's about $45 on their website. Everything will be listed in Canadian dollars, just FYI. So I will link them down below. This is a lifestyle subscription box and they always have a theme and it is always so well curated and so cute. I absolutely can't wait to see what we have this month. Before we get started, I just want to take a quick moment and say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I open subscription boxes every single day here in our channel, so if you love subscription boxes as much as I do, I would absolutely love it if you subscribe. That would mean so much to me. We recently hit 10,000 subscribers, so as a big thank you to you guys, we have a big giveaway going on. If you guys have not yet entered, I will link that at the end of this video so you can check that out next. This is what the box looks like when I open it. They always have such great presentation. Oh my god, and right on top, it looks like there's one of those fans, those fancy ones. I've always wanted one. I could totally use this. Oh my god, this is so fun. I have to learn how to like whip it like how some people do, but isn't this beautiful? And then right on top it is a little pamphlet, so brown paper packages August and September 2020. The theme is Earth, Wind, and Fire. So on the inside it'll tell you a little bit more about the items, give pricing information again in Canadian dollars. So let's get this tissue paper open and get started. So right on top I see this bag here. It looks like there's two items inside. And the first is a makeup item. It looks like this is a liquid eyeliner and this is in Texas Tea. So I wonder if that's like a brown or what is... This is by Stray Cat Cosmetics. We receive some makeup from them every single month it seems. So, oh, it says it's black. Liquid eyeliner in black. So I don't know if Texas Tea is like the name, but let's see what this looks like. Oh, it's like a screw off. Ooh, and it's a brush tip. That's nice. I really want to start using eyeliner more. I rarely use it. I put some in my waterline, but that's about it. And then we have these little pads here. I'm wondering what these are. These like makeup wipes or... Yeah, so these eco-friendly and sustainable face wipes are great to use with your everyday face cleanser. Just rinse and air dry between uses. These are $6. These are super cute. I have something similar to these, but this is what they look like. And the eyeliner is $22. It says, you've struck it rich with this highly pigmented, long-lasting liquid eyeliner in Texas Tea. Precision brush ensures detailed application. Canadian made and cruelty-free. Stray Cat donates to animal charities. Love that, of course. Ooh, it looks like we have a little like clutch or coin purse, or what would you call this? I like that color blue. So this is by Suisse Collection. Let me open this. Oh, it's like a wallet. That's what it looks like on the inside. So there's like 4 compartments. There's some little areas where you could like put your cards in, 1 zip pocket. This is super nice. I like this. So yeah, you could use it like just as a clutch for a night out or as a wallet in your bigger bag. Nice. I love this blue color. So where is this? The Super Slim Wallet. It is $17 and it says the box would include either Indigo Sky, Blue Lagoon, or Miner's Gold. And this is from a Canadian owned distributor. So do you think this is Indigo Sky or Blue Lagoon? I don't know. Either way I like it though. Next we have something in this pretty bag. What is this? It looks like it opens up. Oh, cool! It's just like a little thing you can like store your earrings in or whatever you want. This is like nice and sturdy. It's like made of pretty stone. I like this. So I think this is what they call the Trinket Box. This is $12. It says, unearth your imagination for the many uses of this hand-chiseled stone trinket box. Handmade in India from Pyrophyllite, a beautiful addition to your dresser or desk, and they got this from a local Canadian distributor. I really like this. It seems good, like good quality. $12 seems like a good price for it. Ooh, what should I use it for? I'm guessing I'll use it for like earrings or something like that, because I always end up like losing them when they're really small, so that'll be perfect. Or maybe like hair ties so my cats can't steal them. If you guys have cats, do your cats do that? Next up, we have something in this little box here. Looks like there's a few things in here. Another little bag and like 2 little oils. Yeah, it looks like they might be essential oils. I saw the word lavender. How cute are these little itty bitty baby oils? Let me get them out. Sometimes I can't tell if you could see when I leave it in the bag because it's reflective. But one says lavender blend and the other says peppermint blend. And look how teeny they are. So cute. Ignore my nails. I've had press-on nails for like months it feels like, so I'm giving my nails a little break, a little breather. Oh, is this like a necklace in here? I wonder if this is one of those necklaces that you infuse essential oils in. That's what I'm guessing. This is by Equilibrio, and yeah, that's what it is. So you put the oils on the little felt that's inside it. And this is long, this is cute. I've got, or no, it's not felt. Inside it's like a little lava rock. So I've gotten lava rock ones like this, like bracelets, and then I've gotten a necklace that had like felt that you put the oil in, just a few drops, and it makes you smell good wherever you go. Super nice. So there's that up close. Yeah, the lava necklace. This is $40. Handmade in Toronto by mother-daughter artisan duo. Lava stone is encased in a steel cage with a sterling silver chain. Add a drop of either the uplifting or relaxing essential oil to the stone for an aromatherapy experience. Awesome, I love that. Ooh, look at this shiny gold bag. I wonder what's in here. It's a candle! I absolutely love getting candles. This is by Earth Angel, the Orange Blossom Chamomile candle by Baked Candle Co. 100% natural wax, handmade in Canada. Let's take a sniff. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, smell-o-vision, why haven't you been created? Come on. So this Earth Angel candle is $12. An airy scent as light as the clouds themselves. Float away with this custom-made orange blossom chamomile scent, exclusive only to subscribers of brown paper packages. This company donates to Birthday Angels, a non-profit organization whose mission is to bring the joy of birthday celebrations to children living in shelters. That's so great. I need to smell it one more time. Oh my god, it's such a nice scent. And then looks like we have 3 things left. The next item is just like a scarf. Let's get it out. Oh man, this feels so nice. Look how beautiful this is. I love this like blue color and the gold. Oh my god, it feels so high quality. I love this. So this is called the Starry Sky Wrap. It's $23. Twinkle like the stars in the sky with this super soft wrap. Whether you use it as a scarf, a shawl, a sarong, you will be draped in luxury. Canadian-owned distributor. The box includes either Summerstone, Night Sky, or Glacial Blue. I love the one I got. This is so pretty. It seriously feels so nice too, and it's not too heavy, so I feel like I could even wear it around here. So this is made from mostly cotton, 70% cotton, 30% polyester. I love this. Oh man, the next thing I see says the word Sriracha, and I love Sriracha. I put it on everything. This is by Gourmet du Village, Fiery Sriracha Baked Dip Mix. Yum! Oh my god, I need to make this. This sounds so good. You can kind of see it right there. Oh my god, yay! we've gotten a few things from this brand before. Usually there's like a drink mix and then sometimes a snack. Was it last box? Maybe, but they're like strawberry shortcake, like when you can make like in a mug in the microwave, and it was so good. So the Sriracha Dip, it says spice up your summer with this fiery dip. Enjoy either hot or cold, serve with chips, bread, or vegetables. And this is a bonus gift, so thank you. Yum, it's making me hungry. And last but not least is our drink, and it sounds so good. So by the same company, Gourmet du Village, this is the pink strawberry frosé. So you can make 6 portions of frozen rosé. Oh my God, I can't wait to make this. So you'll have this packet, but you'll also need to have 2 cups of rosé wine and some ice. I love these little packets. I know one I made semi-recently, it was like a margarita mix from them, and it tasted so good. So this is $6. It says beat the heat with this month's cocktail, add rosé wine, ice, mix, and blend until slushy, and there are 6 portions. I want this so bad. I might have to go get some rosé and make this tonight. I mean, it's Saturday when I'm filming this, but I do it no matter what night it was. But that was everything, you guys. I always think it is so fun to open this box. I think they do a great job curating it. I'm trying to think what my favorite things are. There's so much stuff here. Love the candle. That scarf is beautiful. I love how it like matches with this too. You can wear them together. I love this little tray. I really love everything, and even like their little like bonus fan like, got me really excited. So I think this box is always great. So if you guys are interested in subscribing, of course the link will be in the description box. Thank you so much for being here and opening this with me. I hope you're all safe and healthy. Thank you to my channel members. Your support means so much to me. If you guys are interested in learning more about channel membership, there is always a link down below. And if you can't, I totally understand. Just thank you for watching. That really does help me out a lot, and I appreciate you so much. And that is it. Love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.